happy holidays. Today's video is in collaboration with Nadula Hair Company. Yes, I am back with yet another hair tutorial, y'all. Don't kill me. So y'all, this wig is a complete game changer. I know y'all see the girlies trying on like the Bye Bye Knots wigs or the pre-plucked wigs, but let me tell y'all, this wig is completely, everything is done for you. It's pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached, the lace is pre-cut for you, and it's glueless. Like, let me show y'all. No glue, no adhesives whatsoever. Literally one of the easiest wigs that you can order. You literally don't have to do much. And I'm gonna show you guys in just a few seconds how much of a game changer this wig is. It comes with adhesive on the sides, which we will get into in a few minutes. No, it's not glue. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video, y'all. Oh, let's get into this packaging. My wig arrived in this really cute iridescent tote bag, and inside of the tote bag, it's a branded drawstring bag, and inside of that bag is the box that my wig came in. Inside of the box, I received my wig, of course, and we'll get into the details of that in a few. They sent me over a paddle brush, a comb, another paddle brush, a rat tail comb, some clips, an edge band, some really cute ombre pink press-on nails, another edge band, and a branded robe. Now, let's get into the wig details. This is their 24-inch, 13x4 Bye Everything frontal lace wig, meaning it came pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut, and 100% glueless. This is perfect for my beginners watching because here's the game changer. They added these adhesive tabs to the sides of the wig to help you tack the sides of your wig down without having to use any glue whatsoever. And they also added some extra adhesive tabs and an elastic band in the package for me as well. I've never worked with a wig with the adhesive tabs on the sides, so I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion. So here you see me just trying the wig on right out of the box. I haven't done anything to it yet. The lace on it is a little light for my skin complexion, so I'm just taking a brush that I used for my makeup today with a little extra product on it from earlier and just brushing that against the lace to make it match my skin a little better. And as you can see, it's matching a lot better. Since everything is already done and prepped for me, I'm just going to get into tacking it down. So first, I'm starting off by taking the paper shield off of that adhesive, and as you can see, the adhesive is transparent, so you do not see it through the lace. Looking back at this video while I'm editing, I really wish that I would have taken the makeup off around that area where my adhesive was going to lay, just to make sure that it did not come up. That's one problem that I did have. As you can see, it does look good. It is tacked down for the moment, but I think that it would have stayed tacked down because it did start to lift. I think it would have stayed tacked down if I would have removed my makeup in that area. So since I am not going to be using any glue for this or any sprays, I'm just going ahead with my mousse and I'm just laying down the edges of my hair, you know, the same way I would if I was using a spray. Only difference is this is not an adhesive, so it's just going to lay the hairs down, you know, keep it in place. And once I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and put my edge band on, and hopefully it keeps that wig down and lays that lace down a little bit better. Now that my edge band is on and it's nice and secure, let's get into styling this hair. So first thing first, let's fix that part. I'm just going to bring the part a little bit farther back so that it looks a little more natural. And I'm using my wax stick just to lay down the hairs in place. Once that's done, I'm taking my hot comb and just pressing the top of the hair nice and flat. I actually did decide to straighten this hair For this video, this texture is body wave, but I think I've been doing a lot of curled styles on my channel lately, like middle part with curls. So I definitely wanted to show you guys how this hair straightens. So that's what I'll be doing in this video. I'm just going to do a quick flat iron. One thing I noticed about the hair though, like I said, it is body wave. So I was not able to get the hair bone straight. And I think you guys will notice that. After looking back at the video, I do wish that I would have added like a bump or maybe a slight curl to it. But it still came out really, really nice. So after I was done flat ironing it, this is basically how straight I was able to get it. I think it looks pretty good in my opinion. You guys can let me know what you think. I do have some flyaways, so I'm taking some oil and only a dime size because I do not want the hair to be weighed down with product. I'm going ahead and rubbing that through the hair. Take away those flyaways. And yeah, now I'm just going to go ahead and take that edge band off. You can see the lace does look pretty good. Me personally, I am just a glue your wig down type of girly. But for the purpose of this video, I purposely did not use any glues or adhesives. I wanted to show you ladies that there are wigs that you can get that still look good without wearing or using any glues at all. So let me know down below if you guys like it. This is the finished look. All the details to this wig will be down below in my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Happy holidays. Smooches.